the quantity and quality of research in public finance and public policy, what the students of this particular institute have to do is that they have to first identify the issues which concern, right, India and Kerala, right. There are a lot of public policy issues or public finance issues which bother our country. So, they have to identify the right type of issues, right, which are suitable for our country. Instead of copying, right, issues from other countries, basically they have to identify the issues which are concerning the common public in India, and then basically based on that, I mean, they have to, I mean, zero in on a problem, and then basically they have to collect literature from, right, the best journals in the world, right. Today I think we have a lot of journal rankings. So, they have to go according to the journal rankings and source the journals from the right kind of journals, and then basically they have to read those journals, and then they have to do a proper literature survey, and that is very important because these days, right, I think literature survey is very important. You should understand, right, what are the sources available, articles available in the other countries, and today information is very easy to get. So, you should not make any compromise on that. So, okay, the full information should be available, and based on that you write a literature review and then identify the issues, right, which are, I mean, suitable to Indian context. Maybe you have to modify the issues or adapt the issues, right, in the Indian context, right. Then only you have to go for research, and I would actually urge, I mean, students right here to do research based on primary survey, because most of the work in public finance and public policy in India is done using secondary research, and basically you have to do primary research, because there only I think I mean, you will get a lot of acceptability, because these days international journals are looking for articles, papers, right, which use unique data sets, okay, and they do not want actually use the secondary source. They want you make use of the primary source, and that too from unique data sources. And if you source such a data, then write a paper, and that will be much easier to publish. And before publishing, right, you have to present those papers in good international conferences, not only international and domestic conferences, and then there you will get a chance to, right, meet experts in the field, right. Then basically you can give your paper to them, I mean, for review and reading, right, and you will get good comments when you present your papers in international journals, right. And then you will also get a network access to people, right, and you can collaborate with international scholars, and that way you can actually get more visibility to your paper and get it published. And most importantly, every PhD student has to have, I think, 1 or 2, I mean, job market papers, right, and which should be your showpiece work, and that has to be pitched wherever you go, whether it is a job interview, whether it is a conference, right, and the people should basically get impressed by your job market paper, and that actually should speak about you, right. The quality of the paper should speak about who you are, and that in a way would help you to, right, I mean, get access to publication, whether it is job, right, and that should be the way out.